Hello everyone, I am Virendra Rajput and you are watching CAD Learning Resources. Today we will create 3D model using Creo Parametric 4.0. Take a new file. Here just will give name, let's say part. Uncheck use default template. Click on OK. MMNS part solid. OK. Select top plane. Click on extrude. Take circle. Here draw one circle. Press middle mouse button. Double click. And type 50, enter. OK, height is 80, enter. OK, select this top surface, click on extrude, select circle, draw one concentric circle, press middle mouse button, double click on dimension, type 35. OK, so this time this height is 16, so click here, type 16. OK, again select top surface, extrude, circle, here press middle mouse, double click, and 20. Okay, now we need to cut this, so just flip direction and here select this option. Okay, now we have to create this portion, and this is 10 mm above the top plane, that is from the base. So for this, go to the datum, click on plane, select this top plane and give offset value as 10, enter, and OK. So this DTM1 is created here, that is 10 mm above the top plane. So click on extrude, go to the references, select this outer circle, close this, take center line, draw one horizontal center line here, press middle mouse button, then take line, start line from here, then vertical line, one horizontal line, again vertical, horizontal, vertical, and one more line like this. And here press middle mouse button, then take center and end arc, click here and draw one arc here, press middle mouse button, then go to the dimension, select this line, click here. So now click, again select this line, press and hold control and this line, press middle mouse button here, then select this line, press middle mouse button, select this line, then select these two lines by press and hold control, click here, again select this line and this line, press middle mouse button, then select this line, press and hold control and center line, click here, middle mouse button. These are the required dimensions. Now select by dragging the mouse, then click on modify, uncheck regenerate, click here. So this distance is 65, enter. This is 35, this is 45, this is 10, enter. Here also 10, enter, 10, enter. Click on OK. Now we need to change this distance. It is 90, so we'll take here 45 by double clicking. OK. Now select the sketch and go to the mirror. Select the center line, press middle mouse button. OK. Now see, this profile is created 10 mm above from the base, that is on the DTM1. Now click on OK. And this height is 40. Click here 40, enter. OK. Now we'll create this hole. So take hole from here, select the surface, diameter is 12, then click on placement, select this top surface, click on offset references, select this surface, then press and hold control and select this surface. Now diameter is 12, this distance is 20, enter. This distance is also 20, enter, and from here select intersect up to all surfaces. Okay, now select this surface, click on extrude, now take 3-point tangent and arc. First click here, click second point here and third point here, tangent, press middle mouse button, double click here, it is R70, so type 70, enter, take line command and close this profile by drawing, then press middle mouse button. Okay, now we have created this profile, click on OK, flip the direction, and just you can also drag it from here and remove material. Okay, and take. So this is how we have created this simple 3D model. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe.